Everyone talks about millionaire mindset, but no one's asking this. What if mindset alone isn't what creates millionaires? What if it's your energetic frequency that's actually deciding how much abundance you can hold? In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you why traditional mindset work can only take you so far and why clearing your energy field and regulating your nervous system is the missing key to the frequency of a millionaire. Hi, my name is Nilofer Safdar, and for 31 years, I have helped entrepreneurs, coaches, healers, leaders release the energetic residue of stress, scarcity, and burnout so that they can access higher wealth frequency without the effort or hustle. Now, we've been conditioned to believe that success is all about working harder and thinking positive. You've probably done affirmations, visualizations, even journaling about abundance, but deep down, you feel that something is blocking the flow. You're taking action, but it feels like you're pushing through mud. And every new level of income or opportunity feels like it takes more effort instead of more ease. So you've been trying to change your thoughts, change your strategy, do more mindset work, but the stress, the worry, and the pressure never actually go away. And even when you hit a new income milestone, your energy just crashes afterwards and you find yourself right back where you started. Now, all this is not working because your energy, your nervous system is still tuned to the frequency of survival, not expansion. Your body doesn't believe it's safe to hold wealth. And when safety and abundance conflict, your system will always choose safety. Now, here's what you do energy clearing. It's not about thinking your way into wealth, it's about releasing the energy that's weighing your system down. And here's how you can start shifting. Step one, acknowledge your current energy. Notice how your body feels when you think about money. Is there tightness, pressure, resistance? That's your frequency. Step two, use breath work to clear it. Deep rhythmic breathing signals safety to your nervous system. Every exhale is energetic release. Imagine letting go of scarcity, fear, and everything that is blocking your wealth. Step three, recalibrate. Once your body feels light and safe, visualize abundance from that neutral space, not from the head, but from grounded presence. Why this works is because when your nervous system is regulated, your energy field expands, opportunities feel safe instead of stressful. This is millionaire frequency. It's not hype, it's alignment. So if you've been forcing your mindset but still feel stuck, stop trying to think richer and start clearing your energy. The frequency of a millionaire starts with safety, not strategy.